Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. Thank you very much, Bafethu. Ngithanda ukuqala ngokuthi I'm happy though. I'm happy. Ngithanda ukuqala ngokuthi kubantu abasebasubscribile already. Welcome home, guys. Thank you very much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga. As for laba abaqala ukuhlangana nami ke everywhere bafethu, just subscribe bafethu. The podcast is important, is for you. Thank you very much. Now I'm inspired by people, you know, according to my experience, says izinto engizibonile engizenzile engizibonana namhlanje. Phela life goes on. Doesn't matter what happened, guys. Life goes on. Yabo? And please let me just ngisho kancane nje ngithi uyabona la emjolweni la bafethu kunento ezi2 ezi3 ezi4 abantu ekumele bazazi. Lezo zinto ama basics emjolweni, because into eyenzakalayo umjolo and into eningi igcina sekhatheka umjolo kungasaphenduki umshado, because we are all hoping ukuthi sizo accommodate, sispend imali zamampela phakathi komjolo lapho si-investa ngama emotions wethu kamampela. Inhliziyo le uzoyifaka laphayana, umuntu athi ngokuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. But bese ngisho nje ukuthi if you can know bafethu ukuthi emjolweni abantu baya explore la, abantu bayaziphilela, nothing serious, although nisebenzisa izinto zamampela, ilife iphele yamampela, imali yamampela, mawulala nomuntu isex yamampela, we all know that, yabona. But just know ukuthi wena sinama types. Hope you understand. Umuntu uzothi mina itype yami ngifuna umuntu oso, ngifuna umuntu oso, ngifuna umuntu oso. Lo muntu ombalayo, just know ukuthi whoever uzomthola as your partner wena nijole nenze ningene kuma relationship naye unama expectations wakhe afana nalawa wakho. Uyabona? Wena ungazofuna ukuthi manje ama feelings wakho kube yiwa aba considered ku relationship. Awumunye wanandaba noma sekathi yena okhathele uwe akasakufuni. Hey uyalwa sokhuluma manje ngama investment owayenzile. Yangibhora mina leyo nto ngoba uwayenza nangothando futhi. Mangabe urobhekile mfethu udliwe vuma, umove on, uzihleke wena. Ukuzihleke nje ukuthi yes bangitholile. I learned from that. Uzifundise phezulu leyo nto. Yabo, singazophenduka ama monster bafethu. Nani bomama, ningazothela abantu ngamanzi abilayo la. Mase kakuchita nesajola, anikashade nokushada. Ngathi kuchita nabantu abashadile uzoba kutshela ukuthi ring akusi next. Uzoba kutshela ukuthi inkomo zakho angisazifuni. Uyabona? Ngeke umuntu wena uzomshaya wena nesajola. Uyabona ukuthi lo akusuye lo bengithi ngiyamfuna. Angithi nawe uma uyijita unokubona ukuthi le medi lebe ngithi uye. Mara ngiyabona akusuye. Miyeke ngepeace. Nawe sisi mawubona ukuthi bengithi uye ubaba bakhe. Uyabona? Manje ngiyabona akusuye. Miyeke ngepeace. Injalo impilo orobhekile emjolweni mina ngithi bafethu akayeke ukulwa. Kuyadlalwa lapho, kuya explore lapho. Abantu bangeza ngama answer amaningi kabi kuleyo nto. So asikhatheni GBV bafethu. Sibhekisela phansi thina Uppercut Podcast. Sishanga amanqindi amaningi. Akuna excuse lapho. Mina ngiyibona excuse yokuthi uzoshaya umunye umuntu, uzokhetha ukubulala omunye umuntu ngoba wena ama emotions wakho bo investile, bengimthanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke. Ungathanda umuntu ngenhliziyo yakho yonke, ngikhuzile lento. Ithathe serious. Ngiyabonga. Bafethu, hayi namhlanje ngikhuluma ngeinkulu manje. In a way yobu dangerous.
Nice.
Yabona i27. Bekuyinombolo dangerous kakhulu. Ukuzidlula zonke. Ngizothi
Oh, that has changed.
Yeah, nginama reasons wami.
Okay.
yeah angithi it has changed but nginama reasons wami yabo yokuthi why ngithi iphast leyo nto yabo okuthi lamanye amanombolo i26 ne28 ngithola kwamagwala kimi yaba expose ukuthi okay labantu kahle kahle amagwala laba yangithola so bafuna ukuthatha izinto ngenkani ama26 nama28 nabo bafuna ukudla abafana ngenkani nani uyabona so that is why basebenzisa ama weapon bazo sign up negazi nani ekubeni bona bonke lama number ayi2 asuka ku27 yabona bazokutshela nabo asuka ku27 yiko bathi mabehlangana babolisana 6 7 and 8 uyangithola le idila ngegazi kuphela i27 phela baba akukhulonywa lapha yana inombolo mase iphume ngawe uyahamba wena ayikhulonywa leyo and abazifihli according to my experience mina the way ngayithola ngakhona yabona awusifihli ukuthi uwobulele ubani inombolo 27 so bebulelisa abantu ngejele abazi wayibona abatsho badula likhulukudu the single cells like ebongweni it's crazy dog ukuhlala la yabona that is why laba mina ngithanda mabayibeka ngokuthi but okay I'm not disputing it but I don't understand it mabayibeka ngokuthi badabuka ku26 and 27 abasho ukuthi babaleke from 27 ama 28 nama 26 abasho ukuthi babaleke that was very very dangerous awuphumi la abantu badabayenza ama life sentence abanye bancunywa kudala kusane hangpale death sentence just imagine uzosana apa nento enjalo wena so bona instead ukuthi baphume kulento they use their coward's mind yokuthi no enombeleni abasaphumi they feel hooked but manje kumele bavule yabo ezosebenza nobumhlophe bazofaka ubumhlophe hence ngithi ama flag wabo inobu red nobumhlophe ubumhlophe ukuthi neman akumelanga sohlala sodwa yabakhawatha leyo ukuhlala we1 ungakhulumi let alone ukubhemiswa yabona so iyakhawatha let alone ukuthi provide umuntu nga something many things that people can provide for you mawuphakathi kwabo wesinsikhathi ngokomcoco nje ringasma ideas so mahlalo we1 you are messed up my brother yabona so i27 bafethu mina ngiyazi njalo nje ukuthi manje kula ubona kahle futhi ukuthi lento le yamademon ukanjani usana apa negazi ukuthi wena mawusukelwa noma yini uzobulawa ukhipha igazi ene ukuthi ubonakala ukuthi wena uyi27 elentshembu eliright kumele the way umbulala ngakhona mhlawumbe umsikihohotho serious ukhipha ikhanda because mina the story I heard about ama 27 mina ngesikhathi sami la bengipandita khona la eStofberg yabona eGroenpend ama 27 emazenkeni section inombolo leyo bawakhona ama nombolo hence ngithi lapha yana udla imithetho ukhuluma umthetho uhamba umthetho uhleka umthetho yonke into yalapha uqoqa umthetho yonke into yalapha yana umthetho uyasebenza bosebenza umpandite ngomthetho for my sentence mina you understand that but ama 27 bewangekho
what happened to them
kushuthi that number is dead
in that particular prison
no in many prisons
generally
yeah mina I feel ukuthi bayayimention nje ngoba they know about it it is their history
it used to be
it is their history that is why bahlala bayimention 27 ayisebenzi leyo nombolo ingozi kakhulu that's why isatshwe yibo abanikazi bayo abanye bakhetha ukubaleka bathi bona sekwama 28 bahamba nonongoloza ini all those imaginary stories I'm saying it's imaginary stories bafethu lezinto zeinombolo because no one can come with the proof ithuna la kanongoloza ithuna la kabanibani ithuna la kabanibani ngeke bakutshela kusho ukuthi basana family if kwabantu abake baphila uyangithola my brother
Yes.
kusho ukuthi banama family but their lineage you can but ayikho into ongayiprove I can't prove anything about the big five Brian except umsomi lo ngobhalela yeah yabona ukuthi nene mangihlangana nawe ngibona ukuthi wena uyi big five for bani kumele ngibone izinto ezifana nalezi
Yes.
umthetho ngizwa nangerengasi phela ayikho into ozongibonisa yona enye bhuti
Yeah.
that is why ukuthi ukudlala ngabanye abantwana bona kwesinye isikhathi omunye umuntu unokuyi-explaina ngokuthi no we are just pushing time
Yes.
wabona but ibheke ukuthi uyiphushela kuphi bafethu
Kanjani?
asibhekeni ukuthi lesikhathi esisipushayo nenombolo usiphushele emuva or phambili or emasayitini boy ubheke mfethu baningi abantu abake bakhawatha inombolo i26 I don't have much i27 I don't have much to say about i27 except killing
Yes.
if you go against them they will kill you
No questions asked.
no questions asked my brother you know there is this story I told it in go TikTok ne?
Yes.
Yeah, or the guy that ne ke pantita le ena ne ke prakos ke hlola ntse ke mo bua I love that Grootman or what it's old maybe now so that Grootman una ntjeta story sa hore those guys ka mo e leng juvenile ko Stoffberg
Yes.
at first ne le maximum khale plus yena ne se le 15 years ya bo 3 a etsang sentence
Yes.
one shot I don't know batho bao they cut your head they put it more between the butler wa bona mo butler re
Yes.
plus butler a kholo la ke tsipetsa tek ba o kenya hloda aba qeta o nka tekete a ke re o mo le mons bosha ona le tekete hae
Yes.
e ngotswe le bitso la le sentence and stuff ha qeta yena ba ke mo hlong e khautswe e kene nda ba lo kenya tekete e da ya motho entse ntwe e emelang le qala ke yena o kenya tekete ya hae da so that ho se maponesa ha bula ba kopana le hloho le tekete ha ba botse sentse ba bona ke mang that's the behavior ya ma 27 engeke ngayithola mina that is why mina ngithi abathi ama 27 la ngaphandle manje aba younger than me hayi bayangimangaza ukuthi hey mina hayi ningazohlala ngathi man yekelana ukudlala ngabantu bafethu nyanezwa kuma social media yabo oh she 27 hayi khuluma iqiniso ukuthi nawe uyayisaba i27
Yes.
ungayikhulumi kahle njengendabuko because historically niyahlobana anidabukanga la nebaleke da
Yes.
ngifuna si understandane ngaleyo yabo
Yes.
ngoba manje bangizwisa ubuhlungu mina abantu aba embrace inombolo bakhona mfethu ku social media baningi hence I'm saying ke qeta pele ka di series
Yes.
akufetsa da hayi bafethu awuna tlo nthibang ke tlo name mina bra wami ngizokhuluma nawe mina ngizokukhomba igama lakho nawe mangenza wrong mfethu ngoba manje sicabangela abantwana we are fighting for a common thing angithi nawe ungipointe nami ngizoname manje angisabe futhi and futhi mangisho kanjalo hayi ngamanqindi hayi ngebhamu
Yes.
I'm not talking physically here rabua o tla ka di fact ngwaneso ngwana papa nongoloza asizeni ngama fact Dr. Creel asizeni ngama fact
Yeah.
because mina bafethu think I'm on the other side mina ngifuna sizame ukuthi inombolo icrashiwe we can do that masingabambisana savumelana ukuthi at the end of the day lento i wrong asiyekeni lento bafethu asiphusheni isikhathi ngenye indlela emnandi i-recreation izikhona ejele asidlaleni asijimeni asilweleni ukuthi zibe khona la zingekho khona asipreseni government bafethu isizeni ngalezo zinto incwadi kufundwe bafethu ilife ayisafani nakudala mhlambe wena mawuqinile uyabona ungayenza 5 years ejele ungayenza 3 years ungayenza 2 years ilife ubuyishintshile
Yes.
ezinye izinto empilweni zishintshile since ungekho uyangithola so bafethu esingishilo ukuthi abantwana benu kungaba ama 27 wena umbheka innocent ngathi ngeke ayenze lento mawumbheka noma umuzwa khuluma, but asidlaleni lento leyo ku intercept
Yes.
yabo singazo react so bese selate yabo asi intercepteni izinto bafethu sibekene I protection in place
Yes.
yabo.
Watch out for the signs.
Thank you. That way sithanda abantwana bethu siyaba protect. I'm telling you mama, if uye kumntanakho lahle ithawula umntanakho yambona utsotsi and you don't stand up, you're gonna regret that. And uzotsotsa nawe
Yes.
yabo. So bafethu ngithanda ukuthi ngiyanicela bafethu you are welcome, whether ngestory sakho, whether ngestory ekuyinkinga kuwe ufuna silungiswe umphakathi uzwe abantu ba right out there bafethu. Ungabe bottled kukasi yakho ne la uhlala khona bese ubona umakhelwane wakho akakuthandi ini bese uqabanga ukuthi no akekho umuntu engamtshela. I-Uppercut podcast ikhona mama. Zonke itori la siyahlonipha siqabangela imizwa yabantu la. Sizama ukusiza la singasiza khona. Abantu bakhona bazokumamela istory sakho. Abanye baya relate, abanye they can feel ukuthi they must help. Understand? Repeatisana jwalo.
Some can learn.
Yeah, ayisaleyo ntwe ya ro kwaledi ntokamo. Social media re atomeditse, let's use it better.
Yes.
Let's use it to our advantage bafethu. Re bue ditori. Wanthola, whether o batla thuso maybe ka ngwana, lo yena ntanaka o ka tlo ikopela ko bathong thuso, whether o na le talente or something and o thola o le bima ro qete sekolo ka mabaka, zwakala o tlo beya story sa ntja yaka. The podcast is about that. O tswa kae zwakala mfethu. Matsepsite ke a le bitsa le lona, se ke la itaftisa. O thuso tshaba, o tshaba ka bophelo ba hao. Wa bona ba borongwa ba tshaba, ntse ba o tsheya. You are giving them something to laugh about. Ba o tsheya ka ngwana hao more, ba etsang ka re ba utlwela bohloko, ha o hlaya. Wa bona umntana uNkulunkulu uthandaze hayi oza la ku Uppercut podcast uzokhuluma kule camera ubona abantu bangempela bakhona la emhlabeni yabo bafethu asiprotecte nabantwana bethu sithanda nabantwana bethu. As for amachita sejele bafethu nizophuma, patient iyasebenza, bake baphuma nizophuma sisaphuma nathi yabo. So abasele ngaphandle bafethu intwana zenu please bafethu mvumeleni ngibavimbe ningazohlangana ejele nentwana yakho sikhatheni le chain bafethu. Ikhawathile bhuti wami esivale, ikhawathile ubonile yabo. So asivimbeni lento engaweli phambili kubantwana bethu bafethu. Mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu uzosizwela masingasebenza sonke. Unity is the power. Danko, ngiyabonga bafethu, sihlangana next week. Keep on subscribing ukuthi amalight wami angasaphinde disappoint. I'm getting tired of this light. Icon. This is the second video, my brother, right?
It's probably the third.
The third now.
Just a man.
Come on, Mfethu. But spirit, Mfethu, we are getting there. Thank you very much.